Minister in charge Home Prestone Tynsong, along with the Beauty Commissioner R.M. Kurba and East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nong Tengir and other officials on Thursday held a meeting to discuss the current law and order situation in Shillong. Speaking to the media, Tynsong said that they had a detailed discussion on law and order. Few small incidents have happened in the last week, but he informs that the law and order has improved and there is not much to worry about. He also said that at the meeting there were a few areas where security needed to be strengthened. Tynsong also informed that there is a need to beef up security in areas like Polo Hills and Urkaliar all round the clock.
The law and order is very good, improved, and not much to worry about it. And the police department, along with the district administration, is all out here to make sure that peace, tranquility, and also safety. And we have identified few places where we need to further strengthen the security, the policing system in the part of Shillong.